Hi there, I'm Bryn Williams, Ambassador for Wales here out in Qatar, Ceisio Cymru. I'm here with Jodie and Greg, which are chefs for the FAW. So, you boys are working hard.
We have been, yes. This week's been a busy week. Yeah.
And dietary requests, is that a big thing? What they can and can't eat?
Run up to the games, it's more carb heavy, a lot of pastas, not so much red meats on night before games.
And today we're 2 days out, so Sunday.
Yeah.
So they're not allowed red meat on Monday.
But they can today.
So what can we do today with them? So I'm going to try and help you today, try and leave a bit of pressure off you.
Sure.
What can we do today?
As it's Sunday, so...
As it's Sunday, I mean...
Are you going to say roast
It's
dinner?
got to be a roast dinner, yeah.
Will they go for that, will they? Is that something they go for?
100%, yeah. It's a comfort food from home, which they wouldn't normally get if they didn't have their own chefs there, you know.
Okay, so I'll do roast lamb. I'll do all the trimming, well, I won't do the trimmings, but mint sauce. We go far doing mint sauce, roast lamb, mint sauce.
Definitely.
So I know Rhug estate, lamb from North Wales, shit over the Middle East. So I'll get the team to get that. So basically we're going to do a carving for the team, basically. Roast lamb, roast chicken, roast beef.
Yeah.
Okay, what time's dinner?
Dinner's at 8:12.
Have I got time to smash out some Welsh cakes? Does that go down? Because I know you said no dessert. Welsh cakes all right?
I'm sure it would go down really well.
I'm sure the boys will be all over.
So if I got time, I'll do some Welsh cakes.
Yeah, absolutely.
I'll see you 8 o'clock then, lads.
Yeah,
Look
see you
forward to
then.
it.
All the hard work's done. So we seal the lamb, cook the lamb up to 47 degrees, let it rest. The resting process is just as important as the cooking process. You just let the juices relax and it'll stay nice and red. If you cut it too soon, the blood and the juices will just eke out. So we let it rest, put it back in the oven, about 20 minutes before we need it. Here we've got the lentils, caper and mint dressing, so it's all in there. So capers, lentils, a little bit of lamb sauce, cooked rosemary, we cooked the lentils in. We're just going to finish off with fresh chopped mint right at the end, again, to keep that colour, keep that vibrancy. So it's a little bit of a take on classic lamb chops and mint sauce, but we have done mint sauce as well, because there's a little rumour that Kiefer more likes his mint sauce, so I've made some mint sauce especially for Kiefer. Rumours are you like mint sauce.
I do love mint sauce.
I've made you mint sauce.
Yes, fantastic.
You want some lamb, lad?
Yes,
What do
please.
you want? 2, 3, 4?
I'll have 3, please.
Welsh lamb.
Yeah, Welsh lamb.
Born in Welsh,
Indeed.
Ben, yeah, good.
Did you? Good.
A bit of lamb? Yeah. How's things? Want some lamb, lads? Welsh lamb?
yeah.
Do you want more?
I'll have one more.
From your neck of the woods?
Yeah?
Rhug, Corwin.
Oh, is it?
Big estate.
That's Harry, that.
Hey, that's me.
Yeah, nice to meet you. You good? How's things?
Yeah, good. Thank you very
Want
much.
some lamb? Yes, please. 1, 2 on that one.
You might have noticed that we have an extra addition to the team of chefs here today. It is Bryn Williams, big football fan originally from Denbigh in North Wales. I hope you've enjoyed the food that he's been preparing with Jodie and Gregor today. So if we can give him a big round of applause, Bryn.
Right, dinner done. Hi there, just had my Chef Whites. All went down well. The lamb went down a storm. Harry Wilson in particular, it was lamb from home from Conwy previous state, so he was happy as Larry. And the Welsh cakes went down the treat. They were gone in minutes. So if I've given a little bit towards the team this week, I hopefully I've had a good bit of feed. So all went well, all happy faces, empty plates.